What's going on, guys? Vik-Werks checking in another video for the Mark IV R32. So today we're pretty much upgrading the alternator because she finally gave her life gallantly at 87,000 miles. And unfortunately, I decided to upgrade to a Valeo because obviously I didn't want it refab or remanufactured. I figured, go brand new. Why not? Well, the hiccup we have is here's the mounting bracket, and the original design has a nub per the ordeal. So when you look here, obviously, took a little beating here trying to use a crowbar to get that bad boy out. But you see this nub, when you look at this design, it's flat. And you can see it already marked right there, showing you that, hey dude, this is not fitting. And so that rear uppost bolt just doesn't sit flush, and it's kind of unfortunate. So whether I have a modification for this bad boy, who knows? Maybe it's not supposed to fit. I don't know what they're trying to tell you, because obviously that part just does not fit, even on the ECS or any other company that says it should fit. I'm just having issues. So just giving you a heads up before you purchase a brand new one. Maybe remanufactured ones or refab should be the one that you stick with, and that's kind of it. So that's where we're at with this project, just pending and pending every single time. So I guess we'll wait out and see what they say. Once I shoot them an email, show them this video and be like, what's going on, and go from there, because I can't fabricate, hence the piece right there where it's like pretty much broken right there. Like, am I supposed to break this bracket and compromise it, or should I file that one to make it work? So yeah, there you go. If you like the content, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think below, in the comments below, and we'll go from there. And yeah.